Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, today I will tell you about factor mail services. Let's start our video. Factor family known as a Factor 75 is a popular mail delivery service that focuses on providing healthy, chef prepared meal conveniently delivered to your doorstep. The company mission is to take it easier to individuals to follow a natural and balanced diet even with a busy lifestyle. Factor offers a range of meal options that cater to various dietary preferences and needs. These includes balanced meal plans. Factor's balanced meal plans are designed to provide a well-rounded and natural diet. These meals are created by professional chefs and nutritionists, ensuring that they contain a good balance of macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and fat, and rich is in essential vitamins and minerals. Specially diet factor offers specialized meal plans tailored to specific dietary requirements. These include keto, paleo, low-carb, vegetarian, and dairy-free options. Each plan is carefully crafted to adhere to the principles of the respective diet while still reward delicious and satisfying meal. Customize factor allows customer to customize their meals based on their performance. These include the ability to exclusive specific ingredient for all from their meals, making it suitable for individuals with daily reaction food are sensitive. Factory meals are made using high quality integration with the emphasis on securing organic produce, grass-fed cholesterol and raised meats and sustained seafoods. The company aims to provide meals that free from artificial intelligence, preventions, and refined sugars. Thanks for watching. Please like and share our YouTube video. We will next our video